As we saw in the last tutorial, the if condition, which was checking the logic and returning the values on the basis of the true or false condition, right? So now we have logical functions as true and false. This true function always returns the logical value true, and the syntax is the same true, and we don't have any kind of parameters inside this function, right? And as I told you, it always returns true. Then we have false statement or the false logical function. It returns the logical value as false, right? The syntax is false. As like true, we don't have any kind of parameters into it, and it always returns false value. So these are just true and false logical functions. If I demonstrate you in my Power BI desktop, so as we did for if condition, we were checking the quantity for greater than 5. I'll do the similar kind of thing to demonstrate my if uh, true and false condition, right? So inside my logical functions folder, I'll be creating one new measure. Here I'll give it the name as demo of true and false, right? Now I'll press shift plus enter to keep it in the new line. If, then I will be keeping the sum of quantity. If I have greater than 5, then okay. Braces, if it is greater than 5, then the true result will be, it should give me the true function. If it is not greater than 5, then give me false value, right? And bracket close. So as previously I was giving yes or no, instead of yes or no, I am giving true and false. Now let me show this value inside my existing table and a card visual both. So I have this card visual. Inside this I'll show this too. So that means I have the sum of total quantity I have sold is true. Now let me just copy the formatting and paste it here. Also we can show this into our table. Here for values greater, for quantity values greater than 5, it is always showing us the true, else it is showing me false. So this is how true and false function logical functions work. These are basically you can consider as the boolean values. True and false are always boolean values. So if you are thinking that how we have created this DAX specific playlist, so I have attached the link in the description below. You can check that. And also I have attached the link for creating this particular folders for categorizing the measures. So that's also I have created one video. The link is attached in the description. You can check that.